A new report from Korean publication Verlek via Samobile claims that Samsung's next flagship will be announced on January 17, 2024. We expect the design to stay relatively similar, with flatter edges for the S24 and S24 Plus and a flat display and swap to titanium for the S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, along with 8GB to 12GB of RAM and various storage options. That said, the S24 and S24 may opt to use an Exynos chipset in global regions. The phone series will launch running One UI 6 or 6.1, building on top of Android 14 with redesigned emoji and a new quick settings menu, alongside new generative AI features. That said, early reports suggest a modest improvement over last year's sensor, keeping the same 200MP lens while optimizing the experience over this year's phone. Even the sensor model name is similar, HP2SX, compared to the HP2 found in the S23 Ultra.